Sa gitna ng tagtuyot, dulot ng El Nino, naghahanda na ang economic team ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa dagok nito sa presyo ng bilihin. Para kay NEDA Secretary Arsenio Balisacan, ang hamon haharapin ay hindi masyado sa ekonomiya, kundi sa pagkain. 65 probinsya ang tinatayang makakaranas ng dry spell o pagmatindi, drought. Ibig sabihin, ilang buwang walang ulan, mahina ang ani.
So with respect to growth, to the effect on the economy, I don't think that it will make a big deal. It will impact, and what that channel will probably more on the prices, because if food prices will pick up, then the gains that we have made in leaking inflation will be reversed, and we don't want that.
Nakatulong ang mga pag-ulan o shear line nitong nakaraan para maging sapat ang tubig sa mga dam.
The good news is that all our irrigation dams are fully full. So there's enough, and they were assured that there's enough water at least to cover us during most of the period. But that doesn't mean that we relax.
Kaya payo ni Balisacan, kailangan na daw i-preposition o siguraduhing makakarating ang food stamps o vouchers sa mga magsasaka at mahihirap na rehiyon. Isa pang intervention, nakaabang na ang extension ng Executive Order No. 10 na nagtanggal ng taripa sa imported na karne, mais at bigas. Mga paghahanda para sa seguridad sa pagkain. Pupulungin ng Pangulo ang NEDA Board ngayong Huwebes para rito.
And that's part of the agenda. The extension of the EU 10, and that includes the basic commodity, rice, corn, pork, yeah. So again, it is going to be seen as part of that preparation for the difficult months next year.
Target sana ng economic team na lumago ang ekonomiya sa bilis na 6.5% hanggang 8% sa 2024. Pero yung 8% malabo na. Ang bunto ng sisi, hindi naman sa El Nino lang.
I would not this early give away this 6.5% as target. No? But the 8 might be already out of range. So maybe way out. Reducing the range is one proposal, but we'll see once we get all the information. If it turns out that you miss it, your response should not be to reduce your target. It's to work harder to get it back. Yeah? Otherwise, what's the point of doing targeting?
Makulimlim man ang natatanaw para sa 2024, inaasang darating pa din ang trabaho sa mga sektor ng turismo, BPO at construction. Kaya ang 6.5% na growth target, abot tanaw pa rin. Lois Calderon, CNN Philippines.